Hey, it's Brian and Chris here from Resolve Technology, and today we're going to do a ticket talk on a ticket that Chris got yesterday on Microsoft Word. So basically, the employee was wondering why the Word document always defaulted to OneDrive and not his local computer. So this isn't one that surprisingly, we don't get this one a lot, but I know for me, I always wondered, why is it defaulting to OneDrive? Because not everybody uses OneDrive, right? So go ahead and show us, Chris, like what you would do to default it to the local computer rather than OneDrive when you go to save a document.
Yeah, so we'd come to the file menu here and go down to options on the bottom. From here, at all general display proofing, we'd go to save and then save the computer by default. You'd want to check that. And then you can also set a default local file location. So if you didn't want your documents, you wanted it on your desktop, your downloads, you could actually click browse here and pick a location where you want to save to.
Nice.
And I'm in black and white because there's too many RGB effects going on over here. So,
So Chris has got the retro look today. So I told him he looks good in black and white. All right, Chris, thanks for showing. Actually, why don't you go up into File?
Yep.
And then go to save a document and let's see what it looks like.
All right, yeah, so let's do blank document here. So yeah, I think I have another setup. Did I not save that? Yeah, there we go.
You didn't save it.
That's what you just saw is what the end user sees if it's saving to OneDrive. You saw how it popped up with the Resolve Technology OneDrive there?
Yeah.
So yeah, now if we save it, boom, see users Chris documents. And you can change it. Say you want to go back to OneDrive, but it's just going to default to this going forward.
Yeah, nice. And we're going to leave that in there, the little stumble that we had. Yeah. We're not going to do a take two.
Right, that's fine. That's fine.
Anyway, that'll be useful to people because that's one that I guess I questioned, but I just never went to look for a solution. So now we have a solution. Yep. Hey, thanks a lot, Chris.
All right, have a good one.
You too.